Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, let's do analysis of the important constituent of Bank Nifty, that is HDFC Bank. So without wasting much time, let's jump into the analysis. So guys, this is the monthly chart of HDFC Bank. And if you see, after a good rally, it has done a small retracement. So for positional trades, we need to look into higher time frame. So now, as per monthly analysis, so this is a very good bullish move followed by a small retracement. And now let me go to weekly chart. So in weekly chart, I can see it has given breakout above the important level, and any retest to this zone is a buying opportunity. So let us wait for a small retest here. Let us wait for the retest here with a small stop loss and target being the upside zone. This is for positional. And for small daily trades, let me get into daily time frame. So in daily time frame, this is the important level. And let me jump into the 30 minutes time frame. So in 30 minutes, I can observe a small trend line which it is obeying. So, and this is the important zone. If you want to trade it tomorrow, this zone becomes very important. So above this, it is a buying opportunity. Below this, it is a selling opportunity. And between this, we need to sit silently. So 90% of the stock market is about patience. If you wait patiently, you will get good trades. So if you like the content, please like, share and comment. Thank you.